Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing a question on calculating a mean of a smaller part, or it could be a larger part of an overall group, given the mean and amount in the smaller groups or the bigger group. So it's basically recalculating the mean using the totals that you can work out from the mean and how many items there are that created that mean. So let me give you a bit of an idea of what I'm talking about here. So hopefully you already know that the way you work out the mean is you work out the total of all the numbers added together, and then you divide by how many numbers there are. Okay? Right? That is the classic way of working out the mean. But in these questions here, when we read it through in a minute, you'll realise they already give you the mean. Okay? And because they already give you the mean, this formula as it stands is not helpful. So I'm going to rearrange it so that it helps us to find the total. Okay? So remember what the total is. The total is all of the numbers in the group added together before you divide them to find the mean. Okay, so it's all of the results. Okay, so I would rearrange this, in other words, undo dividing by how many to times by how many. Yeah, so we end up with the mean times by how many there are in the group, and that will give you the total of everybody in the group. Okay, so we're going to be using that formula there, to rearranged formula there, to help us with answering this question. So let's do it. So I'm going to underline and read. There are 18 packets of sweets and 12 boxes of sweets. So already you've got two different items here. You've got packets and boxes. Okay, they're all sweets, but they're in different containers. The mean of the sweets in the 30 packets and boxes, so the 30 packets and boxes is 14. So the 14 is the mean. So I would class this as all of the packets and all of the boxes. That's why it says packets and boxes. This is the 14 is the mean of everything added together. Okay, so I'm going to put everything here. Okay, I'm trying to split up my groups here. Okay. Okay, I'll change colour because we're doing a different group. So here we've got the mean of the sweets in the 18 packets is 10. So this is where we're only talking about the packets, not the boxes. Okay. So it says work out the mean, change colour again, work out the mean of the sweets in the boxes. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my red. So we've split this up into everything. Okay. We're then to blue, which is just the packets. And then our final answer is here, which is just the boxes. Okay. So what do we know about everything? And that's in this second line here. Yeah, everything is in the second line there. So it says there are 30 packets and boxes. So how many is 30? And the mean is 14. So I can use my total formula, which is the mean times by how many. So the mean is 14 times by how many, which is 30. So if I multiply those together, what do I get? Have a go. Grid method, whatever method you like, pause it and have a go. Okay, then right, back again. So here we've got 420, which should have been your answer. So what does the 420 represent? It represents all of the sweets added together in all of the boxes and the packets together. Okay, so we have found out the total number of sweets in all of the packets and all of the boxes. Okay, so we're going to come back to that in a minute because that's an important bit of information to know. Okay, I'm now changing to blue where I'm only talking about the packets, so the third line. So it's saying the mean number of sweets in the 18 packets is 10. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you to write down what your total would be. So using the bit we just did for everything, what would yours be? Okay, pause, have a go. Okay, so here we go. So the total of this would be our mean, which is 10 times by 18, which is 180. Okay, so what does 180 represent? It represents how many sweets there are in all of the packets added together. Okay, so we've now worked out our total for everything added together. We've worked out our total for just the packets added together. Now they want us to work out the mean for the boxes. Okay, so remember the mean again is your total for adding all your sweets in your pocket in the boxes. So it's the total of sweets in boxes divided by how many boxes. Okay then, so my question is, how are we going to work out the total number of sweets in just the boxes? We have how many sweets there are in everything and how many sweets there are in just the packets. What do you think we do? Okay, so your answer should be, I'm going to take away 420. Yeah, I'm going to take away 180 from 420. So have a go at doing that using your column method, that calculator. And what do you get? Yes, so you should get 240 sweets in the boxes. And we are going to divide by, how many boxes are there? 12, yeah? So again, I'd like you to have a go at doing that without calculator. You can use a bus stop method to have a go. So pause, have a go. Okay, and you should get an answer of 20. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Please try some more of these questions on working out new means given old means and how many in each group. Okay, take care. Bye.